Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how footballs are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Each football begins with carefully balanced materials to ensure durability, flexibility, and perfect performance.
Every football is refined, shaped, and tested for balance and precision. Every football is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how footballs are made, from start to finish.